Hi, I'm Fran and I'm one of the founders at Mabel and Meg, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Lumilixir Serum. The Lumilixir is a vitamin C and hyaluronic acid serum. It's great at fighting acne and breakouts, it is perfect for improving skin tone and texture, and it plumps and hydrates wonderfully. To achieve the full benefits of the Lumilixir Serum, make sure to cleanse your skin before you apply. So now that your face is cleansed, you're going to take your Lumilixir, you're going to take a few drops from the pipette into your fingers, rub it gently between your fingers, and you're going to just apply it to your face. Smooth it over, just like that. And then you're just going to press gently all around just to really push that into the skin. Just gently. Just like that. When that's touch dry, you're going to lock that in with your moisturiser. Lock all the goodness in. Perfect.